bad tire already for being a new unit. So even though it's a new unit, it's, for lack of better words, they put cheap tires on some of these newer units. So we're going to have all new tires replaced. We're going to go with just a higher rated, more of like a 10-ply tire that could handle faster speeds. Not that I'm going to tow at faster speeds, but it can handle the heat buildup, especially in the southwestern states that we travel in. It's going to, I think, overall give us a better ride, so kind of worry-free. So yeah, I'm just going to invest in tires now. I can't really find the wear spot yet on this one. As you can see, the tread is still good a little bit, but this is the tire that I'm probably sitting on it that already shows that it's been wore down, almost like there's like a bald or a flat spot, and that's universal to the whole side or that whole tire. And of course, you know, the dealer, you know, they basically won't warranty that. They're saying that they can't prove who did it. Well, I know I wouldn't have done that. The trailer doesn't sit. We roll the trailer, we move it quite often, and it's not going to get a flat spot. So
off to get new tires.
Off to get new tires.
So it'll be like the 28th week of 2016. So that's what we're looking for. So you have it back here, and it's looking like it is 4716. So you're still good. I mean, it's brand spanking new.
So it's the 47th week of 2016. 2016 is when it was made.
Got it. And what we DOT recommends 10 years. You get the tire replaced. We say 6. Especially here in Arizona, because what happens is, even though it looks great and it just sits there, because we have a lot of people, oh, it just sat in the garage, we didn't really drive it. What'll happen is, over time, it'll start to break down naturally. And at 6 years, that's when it starts to get like brittle, and you'll get little pieces coming off, and it's just a safety issue. But you're still good for this one. If you want to keep this one, that's fine.
Yeah.
Of it losing tread like that is usually due to overinflation.
Really?
Yeah, overinflating, it'll cause the middle to wear, and then underinflation, the sides will wear.
Hey everyone, this is Ken with Captivating Journey. Just kind of wanted to give you an update. We finally got the tires on the RV, the coach. We were back in the parking area, so the tires ride great. Discount did a very good job as far as putting new tires on the rig. We do have the extended warranty on the tires, so I feel a lot more comfortable. They actually ride. I can feel the difference pulling the trailer, on just the ride back there. And I know the guy was talking about the bald spot on that tire. Of course, it was on the other side of the coach. It had nothing to do. He was saying it was overinflation, which it had to again be with the dealer. I make sure that I check the tire pressure very, very good. Make sure they're right spot on. I never underinflate them, and I never really overinflate them at all. So that had something to do with the dealer. I won't mention their name, but big thing is we've got new tires. It's great for us to get. I feel a lot less nervous, if you will, driving down the road. So hopefully we'll show you the tires on the rig. We didn't film much coming back from discount. There's a little too much traffic going on. A little bit of a battery issue, but we got her tucked back in, and so we'll kind of just show you the tires. But they actually did kind of hold up. I mean, they're a nice tire, Goodyear Endurance tire. So very well. Brand new tire. I love them. They're rated at a higher speed. And again, like you heard me earlier, I'm not going to be going at any higher speeds, but they're just able to handle. They're just a tougher tire. So anyways, there you have it. And if you can, go ahead and leave us a comment. Tell us what kind of tires that you have, what tires you like, any issues that you might have had on the road yourself. Feel free just to leave them in the comments below. So anyways, I'll wrap up this video for now. Remember, give us a big thumbs up, if you like this video, and leave us a comment either way. It kind of helps us improve the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it if you subscribe. Hit that bell. I'm never certain where the bell is. I think it's over here. It's somewhere. And just remember, we'll see you out there on the journey. Thanks, guys.